Hi, I'm David Jones with Plum Masters, and today we're going to be doing a small master bath shower remodel. So this morning we arrived, we jackhammered the slab here at this location to find the main water line into the house from this shower. We jackhammered down, we found the existing plumbing, and we relocated to the center of this space where the new shower is going to go. They'll be filling this in with concrete later to level it out. Put in new shower valves. There'll be one here, and then there'll be one on this side. His and hers is what they call it. So we'll be tapping into the existing copper, hot and cold, and bringing it across, and mounting our shower valves here on the wall with the shower heads up high. This drain here, we're not exactly sure why this was here. This was done by the previous homeowner. We're going to be deleting this drain. We're in the process now of jackhammering the slab, and then we'll be capping that off below the slab, and they'll backfill concrete over the top of that before they put their tile in. After we're completed here, they'll be filling all this in with concrete, and this will be a completed walk-in shower with tile. The tile will go up the wall, and we'll have trim on our shower valves, and it'll be completely open to where you can walk into the bathroom and be tile shower. All right, we're back. This is going to be our finished product. These are the valves that we installed. We moved them from, originally they were over on, this one was actually down on this wall, down low. Our shower drain was also over here down low to accommodate a sunken tub. It was originally here. We moved the drain to the center. They put all the tile in, and this is the other shower valve that we installed. And its original location was on a pony wall that no longer exists. It was here. And we moved it around here, and today we're going to be putting the trim on to finalize the install.